Okay? First of all, can someone tell me what self-defense means? What does self-defense mean? Start right here. To defend yourself, right? Self, me, defense. Keep yourself safe, right? Okay, that's number one for us. Okay, it's never about going out and bullying. It's never about going out and trying to hurt somebody. It's always about keeping yourself safe. Everybody understand? Yeah? Okay. Good. What I want us to do first is we're going to do a form, okay, or a kata. Okay, where this comes from, it's almost like we're defending ourselves against imaginary people. Okay, so you guys just watch. Okay, and let's see how this works. Okay, we're not trying to go out here and let these guys just beat each other down. Okay, what they're going to do is they're practicing their techniques that we've learned for self-defense, practicing with one another. Okay, and this next one is one form called point sparring. Okay, you've ever seen Karate Kid? How about that new one? Jackie Chan. Yeah? Okay, well it's almost like that. Okay, what they're going to do is they spar around, they bounce a little bit, throw some kicks, throw some punches, and they're just practicing. Okay? So I want you guys to watch this here. Okay, give us 1 minute. Who would be interested in taking classes? Who would be interested? Okay, just to let you guys know we have some flyers for you guys to take. Okay, we're going to hand out to your teachers, okay, and hand out to you. Okay, so you guys are here to like how cool these awesome these guys do, okay?
I love it.